My really favorite way to create bass lines, or usually I do in many tracks you will find a very low bass line and a second for the mid frequencies. You will do this, but the way how I create the low bass line, and you will find this in countless of Babicz style tracks, is I love to use, I open this Logic sampler here, and when you open this sampler, the init sound is a sinus wave, and by adding the filter and use the drive knob, you are already able to transform the pure sine tone in it's like with this overdrive we create overtones, and I can shape the sound. So just the sine tone is usually almost invisible. Mostly you can feel the bass line with just sine tone, but if we drive this a little bit, we get a bit more of sound. Let me show you. So if I play a note, and now I will play the note and push the drive knob a little bit,